Today's recipe is easy and simple. It has coconut milk, rice flour, and tapioca starch. It's called Banh Tai, which is bird nest cake. Ingredients you will need for this recipe. First, you will need to mix 3/4 cup water with 1 cup coconut milk. In a bowl, mix 2 cups rice flour and 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch. Add in 1/3 cup sugar. Add in half a teaspoon of baking soda. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix well. Pour in the coconut mixture, mix until there's no more lumps. Cover with plastic wrap and let it sit for 1 hour. Using a wok, fill it with frying oil. Once the oil is hot, pour in 1 ladle of batter. Wait for it to golden and rise in the center. Remove from oil and place on paper towel. Repeat until you used up all the batter. Let it cool and enjoy. The inside should look something like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this simple and easy recipe.